Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to repair your Windows 11 or your Windows 10 PC. Now guys, if you're currently experiencing any issues with your Windows, you feel like it's corrupted, it's not working as it should, then this video might be the perfect one for you, because I'll be sharing with you two simple commands that you can use, and this will help you to fix and repair your Windows 11, right? So what you want to do guys is simply go ahead and click on your Windows icon there, and you want to type CMD, right? You want to run the command prompt as administrator, and once this is up guys, the first command I want you to run is sfc /scannow, right? And I'll be putting these within the description of this video. So you want to hit enter now guys, and you want to go ahead and run this command. Now you want to allow it to finish. It will take some time. And once this is finished guys, you want to go ahead and restart your computer, right? So I'm going to go ahead and close out because I already run this already. And once your computer is restarted, you want to open again your command prompt, right? So CMD, run it as administrator again, right? And once it comes up guys, you want to go ahead and you want to run the second command that you'll find within the description of this video. Now I'm going to go ahead and right click, and as you can see there is DISM, right, space / online space / clean image space / RestoreHealth. You want to go ahead and hit enter, and you want to allow this to run. It will take some time again, but once it is completed guys, you want to go ahead and restart your computer. Now go ahead and try these two commands guys, and then let me know if it is any better guys. I really hope and I wish you luck that your computer will be in the best health and it will start to work properly again, and that it will make you happy. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.